welcome back to my channel. My name is Samide. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today's video is about Ipsy. I have my Apple box with me today. So this is the Apple box. We are going to open it together and we are going to see what is inside. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share. If you have any videos idea, just let me know down below in the comment section. And guys, I'm having a giveaway for you, so stay till the end of this video to see what this giveaway is gonna be about. We are going to open the Ipsy box. So let's open the box. So I just open it. Here we go. So this is the box. First thing is this card that they always put inside of the box. This card has all the products listed and all the information. So I'm gonna put this there. First thing is those sheet masks. Two sheet masks. So they are from Star Skin VIP. You always need masks, so I'm happy with that. Second item is 2-in-1 purifying facial mask and exfoliator. So this is an exfoliator. You can use it as a facial mask and you can use it as an exfoliator. So yeah, it's from the brand Lavido. So this is it. So yeah, brand Lavido, it's good for all skin types and it's a facial mask and you can use it as an exfoliator. Let's smell it. Doesn't smell bad. It has seed oil, lemon and macadamia. Yeah. Doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell good either, but it's fine. So that's the second product. Third item is a palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. It's from the brand Shayna B. So this is the palette. It's nice. And when you open it, those are the colors. Neutral colors. Yeah. So that's the third product. So Next product is a moisturizing lipstick, Girl Power, in the shade Deep Mauve. So let's see. It's so small. Oh, I got this one from my points. So I had points. So when you review your bags, your products, so you accumulate points, and once you reach certain amount of points, you can redeem products. So this is the product that I redeemed in for March, I think. Yeah, so this is the product, that's why it's so small. So yeah, it's a lipstick. The color is nice, but it's very small. It's a mini lipstick, you can put it in your purse. So yeah. And next product for Apple bag, it's a mascara from the brand Eyeshadow London. It's a full size. Yeah. So this is the mascara, triple shot XXL mascara, brand Eyeshadow London. And the last item is it's an eyeliner from Tarte. It's an eyeliner from Tarte. Double take eyeliner. So it has two sides. Yeah. So yeah guys, and my info bag, it's really cute. This is the info bag, it's really cute. See, and that's it for this bag. I mean for the box, it's empty. So an eyeliner, mascara, a mask, 2-in-1 mask. You can use it either as an exfoliator or as a facial mask. 2 sheet masks, my lipstick, small lipstick, and my eyeshadow palette. Oh, almost dropped it. So eyeshadow palette. So yeah guys, so this is what I received in the box for April. So I'm going to leave my link down below. You can use my link to sign up. So I will leave it in the comment section. So yeah, that's all for the Ipsy part. And now the giveaway. So my giveaway, so this is what I'm gonna give away, guys. It's from Monat. So what is it? Is a set of 3 products: a dry shampoo, conditioner, and a shampoo. So what you guys gonna do, I'm gonna have you guys go to my Instagram, because this is where I'm gonna do the giveaway. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, you should. I'm gonna leave my name on somewhere on this video, and you can just go there and follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna announce the winner there. So yeah, go follow me on Instagram to know what is the requirement to enter the giveaway. And yeah guys, so you're gonna receive a set of 3 products. It will be a shampoo, conditioner, and a dry shampoo. It's a spray. It's a spray. You don't need to wash your hair, like wet your hair. You just spray it. It's like a shampoo. It's a shampoo, but it's a dry shampoo. And I'll post a picture with all the information, how to enter the giveaway. And yeah guys, so yeah. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. And if you have any videos idea, just let me know down below in the comment section. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will leave all the information for you guys down below in the comment section, and also in the description box. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.